Here on the WIX Editor, you want to choose on the specific place to add the content with the same layout or design, or we can call it as repeater. For example, I'm going to drop it in my privacy policy page. Just click on Add Section. And after that, go to Add Elements right here with the plus icon. And then you want to go to List. Just click on List. And here on repeaters, you can just choose any repeaters that you feel will suitable for you. But for this video, I'm going to choose on this one. Just click on it one time. And right here on repeater, so for example, if I want to make all three of my team member to be in each of this picture, and then they will have the same layout, you can just click on one of the image. So for example, I'm going to choose this first one, and then click on change background to change it to the image of my team member. So I'm going to click on image, and you can also change it just by the color by clicking right here on color. But I'm going to go for image. And here on upload media, you can upload your own image to be added as the background of the image. But I'm going to choose the media from WIX for this. So I'm going to choose on this guy. And just click on change background. And then there you go. And you can just do it on another container. And then there you go. Right now, all of my team members is having the same layout design. And after that, you can also just change the text of it. So for example, I'm just gonna delete on this text. And as you can see, it will also delete to all of the container. And you can also change it. So for example, I'm gonna change this to the name of my team member. And you can also do it on each of the container. After that, you can click on repeater and then click on manage items. On manage items, you can reorder the image or items. So for example, I'm gonna make Jessica to be the first one. Just click on item 3 and then click and drag it all the way to the top. And right now, Jessica is the first one. And then to add the items or image, you can just click right here on duplicate items. And there you go. There will be 2 Jessica and then just 4 of it. But if you want to delete it, you can just click right here on the 3 dots and then click on delete. And you can also change the layout of it. On the repeater, just click on layout. And then you can customize the spacing between items like here. And you can also do a formatting by the direction of it. So Jessica can be the third one. Just click on right to left and left to right. And you can also make an alignment for it. And there you go. If you still have any question about WIX or this repeater, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add repeater or content with the same layout or design. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.